Alright guys, we're back again. Part 2 of the wall and driveway project. So you can see you've got quite a bit done. Got all the trees and stumps out of here. I just moved the fence temporarily over here. For now, this is about as far as I decided to go on this side. The rest of this I'm just going to fill rock in. It's all been leveled. Obviously all the fence posts are in place. The wall is done. We'll see the other end here in a second. There's the rest of my dirt pile. Right here I'm going to do, parallel to the house, I'm going to do a gate and a fence, and then I'll have a 12-foot gate that goes across here, and I'll probably have something buried in the ground that I can set up a kind of a latch bar to lock the gate in and everything. You can see over here, pretty much saw that already. The drain for the water box and all the fancy stuff that the previous owner did. And of course that drain goes all the way out to here. This is just temporary. You can kind of see what's going on here. And again, that's the rest of the wall. Everything's level. This is basically you have to have about a foot of rock between a retaining wall and in the ground because of hydraulic pressure when the soil absorbs moisture. And follow the wall along. Like I said, I've got about this far to leveling everything. Obviously it's going to start to downward slope further we get to the street. There's what's left of the dirt pile. Same design all the way up the wall. About as far as I've got so far. I think I'm gonna run out of dirt, but whatever. Just underneath here is the drainage pipe, the perforated drainage pipe. It goes all the way up the wall to the very end where the clean out is. In fact, I'll show you the clean out here in a second. And of course it meets up with this. This is a four-way. Oh, sorry. Behind this is obviously a four-way connection, which taps into the drain over there. The drain going that way and the drain going this way. Again, the wall's full of Quikrete plus rebar, except for the holes that the posts are in. And then the last smaller drain, same deal, it's just 90s on the other side of the wall. So, and there's the corner, the property line, the property corner post there that the township put in. And that's the hard part done. Probably have the fence started on this weekend. I'm not 100% sure. We're supposed to get some rain the next couple days, so that's going to put me back in the garage. I've already got about 8 minutes of video edited with work I've done on the TT already, so just trying to get work done when I can. Put some bolts in here just so I could anchor something in the future. I kind of want to do maybe a lamp post on the corner, and they'll be a little obscured by the telephone pole, but as you can see, it's not much more to show you, not much more to explain. It's pretty self-explanatory. And the other end, just to clean out. Oh, if I can get the dang thing off. So you can go down pretty deep, down to the first cinder block. And I'm going to get rid of the rest of this chain link. Incorporate the neighbor side of the fence a little farther down to where it's all screwed up down there anyway. I'll probably just lay some of, actually those extra blocks I have, I'll probably just lay those in between the 4x4 posts, standing upright. Just so, you know, the dog doesn't really dig underneath, which he doesn't really do that anyway. And then I'll eventually get some gravel delivered and finish making the actual driveway. But for now, it's just going to be dirt, I guess. But anyway, that's the latest update, guys. We're slowly getting back to working on the car. So I know that's what most of y'all want to see.